Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create instant reply to your Facebook page messages. First of all, open your business page on your device and click on this button to open a panel. Now go to Meta Business Suite under More Tools and you will land in this page. Once you're here, just click on the inbox and you'll see all of your inbox messages over here. Now you can go and click on automations to automate the messages. Then click on Create Automation and then Instant Reply. Once you're here, you can turn on Instant Reply and then select the channel where you will be using this automation. You can also customize your message using this column and also personalize it by clicking on this button. Now I'm just going to add my first name and click on Add. Here you can see my first name and here is the preview of the message. Now if you want to give an extra touch by adding emoji, you can use this button and save your changes. Now people can get instant replies to their messages from your business page without you doing anything. Thank you for watching this video.